Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we will be having another edition of it again tonight. Okay guys, before we go fully into it, in case you are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this? So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said earlier on, we will be doing some analysis, and of course these are the assets we will be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own analysis by trading tools and the exact time frame I will be using. Okay, the performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining us live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with whatever trading analysis I'm dishing out right here. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve. You can always grow your small trading capital into something reasonable, just the way every one of us have been doing. Okay guys, now let's move on to what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000 and I'm on 5-minute time frame, and this is boom 1000. I'm using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. Okay guys, this had been on a downtrend for a very long time, got to this region, pull back, and of course tried out this support zone again. If it's unable to break out from there, then it should buy right from there, but if it breaks out below it, it will keep on selling. For now it is still selling, but might not be for a very long time before it will change into a buy trend. Okay, the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. This is boom 500, and just the way we have seen it, this has been on very big uptrend. I mean, it has been on a very serious uptrend, but it is selling at the moment. Okay, it should sell till it gets to this region, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 1000, and of course just the way we have seen it, okay, this had been on downtrend for a very long time. It has got into this support zone and playing around there for a while. If it's unable to break out from there, then it should go back on buy trend. Okay, that is very, very important. So this is still selling, but might not be for a very long time before it to change into a buy trend. Okay, the next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 500, and of course guys, just where we have seen it, this had been on a very strong buy trend. Just where we have seen it, even though it's crashed, it just crashed right from here. Of course, if it's unable to break out above this resistance zone, then it should start crashing from there, and it will go into a sell trend. Okay, it is buying at the moment, but might not be for a very long time before it will change into a sell trend. Okay, the final asset is going to be volatility 75. Let's check it out right away. This is volatility 75, and of course guys, just the way we have seen it, okay, this has been on a very strong downtrend, got to this region, pull back, and it went on a short buy trend, and of course went back down again to see if it will break out below the support zone. If it's unable to break out below it, then definitely it will go back into a buy trend. So this should be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. These are the assets that we have for you tonight, and of course you just need to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you that are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you have any question at all, kindly drop your question in the comment section. I will always be there to reply. Watch out for my next video. Until then.